This tiny keyboard promises a premium experience in a compact package, but can it actually deliver on all its promises? Let's dive into the Kutethy KY65. Right off the bat, the build quality is seriously impressive. This isn't some flimsy plastic keyboard. It's a solid aluminum CNC machine body with a beautiful anodized finish. It feels substantial and premium in hand, which is a great start. The 65% layout is a sweet spot for many, offering essential keys without taking up too much desk real estate. It's perfect for smaller setups or for anyone who just wants more mouse space. And that rotary knob on the side. It's a fantastic addition for volume control or scrolling, adding a touch of elegance and functionality. Connectivity is where the KY65 really shines. You get a triple threat: 4 GHz wireless for lag-free gaming, Bluetooth 5 for seamless multi-device switching up to 5, and a good old-fashioned Type-C wired connection. This flexibility is a huge win for anyone who juggles multiple devices or needs to switch between work and play. The 3000 mAh battery should also keep you going for a good while. Inside, it's rocking a gasket mount system with a PC plate, which is usually a recipe for a softer, more satisfying typing feel and better acoustics. The Keylbox dark chocolate switches are pre-lubed, offering a smooth linear experience right out of the box. And the best part? It's fully hot swappable, supporting both 3-pin and 5-pin switches. This means you can easily swap out the stock switches for your favorites without any soldering. The PBT keycaps are side-printed, which is a bit of an unusual choice, but they do have a nice texture and are durable. The south-facing RGB LEDs provide vibrant backlighting, and there are plenty of customizable effects to play with through the software. Overall, the Kutethy KY65 is a compelling package. It blends premium materials, versatile connectivity, and a highly customizable hot-swappable design into a compact and stylish keyboard. It's a strong contender for anyone looking for a high-quality, feature-rich 65% mechanical keyboard.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.